5 steps to heal your brain from chronic stress. 900-word deep explanation. 1. Deep rest and quality sleep. The brain's natural repair system. Chronic stress is most harmful to your sleep cycle. When your sleep gets disturbed, your brain loses its ability to recover, repair, and function properly. Sleep is not just rest. It is a biological healing system that activates deep-level repair inside the brain every night. During stress, the body releases excessive cortisol, which blocks both REM and deep sleep. This is why stressed people wake up feeling tired, mentally slow, and emotionally heavy even after 8 hours in bed. Getting 7 to 9 hours of deep sleep is non-negotiable. Using a mobile phone before sleeping reduces melatonin, your sleep hormone, by 35 to 50%, making sleep shallow and weak. Keeping your phone away at least 1 hour before bed and keeping your room dark, cool, and quiet can double your deep sleep quality. During sleep, your brain cleans toxic chemicals, stores new memories, reduces stress hormones, restores emotional balance, repairs damaged neurons, meaning better sleep, faster brain healing. If you want to recover from chronic stress, sleep discipline must be your first therapy step, because no other stress reduction method works without proper sleep. 2. Controlled breathing and mindfulness. Calm your amygdala. Chronic stress makes your amygdala, the brain's fear and emotional center, overactive. When this happens, your brain begins to interpret small issues as threats. You overthink more, react emotionally, and stay stuck in fight or flight mode. Controlled breathing, especially the 4 to 7 to 8 technique, directly calms the amygdala. 4 seconds inhale, 7 seconds hold, 8 seconds slow exhale. A slow exhale tells your body, you are safe. Relax. Just 5 minutes of breathing practice can control heart rate, lower cortisol, clear the mind, restore emotional balance, relax muscles. Mindfulness doesn't mean stopping negative thoughts. It means observing them without reacting. Even 5 to 10 minutes of mindfulness slows down the brain's default mode network, the network responsible for overthinking. Daily breathing plus mindfulness resets your stress response and brings the brain back into calm mode. 3. Dopamine detox. Stop overstimulation. Restore mental stability. One of the biggest causes of modern stress is overstimulation. YouTube shorts, TikTok scrolling, constant notifications, fast entertainment, gaming, endless messaging. All these activities create unnatural spikes of dopamine. When dopamine becomes repeatedly high, your brain becomes restless, loses focus, develops anxiety, reduces attention span, struggles to stay calm. The brain gets no silence, and without silence, stress keeps increasing. A dopamine detox does not mean quitting your phone forever. It means taking 1 to 2 hours daily with no social media, no reels, no fast entertainment, no mindless scrolling. This break resets your brain's dopamine balance,